This is going to be the Insta360 Ultra unboxing. I don't like a lot of blah blah, so we're getting right to it. Now, if you came here for a technical description of this camera, you came to the wrong place. I just wanted point and shoot. I wanted the DJI camera, but in the United States, it's a pain in the butt. You pay all that money, and everyone said you get 0 for guarantees. So let's see what we got in this bad boy. It's gonna be all your paperwork. Nice little case. I actually wanted the POV version, point of view, which seems so cool, but they didn't have it in stock, so it's a nice case. Feels thick. The one I got with my GoPro was really flimsy feeling. This one feels pretty good. So I'm just gonna undo one thing at a time. This is your, feels like magnet and wind buff for the microphone, clips for the microphone. And this does have a little tripod built in, but like I saw someone else describe it, it's literally paper clips. Super thin, but doable. For a table, I wouldn't use that outside. Everything will fall over. And this should be the extra battery, I'm guessing. Oh, the little extra battery thing also has the paper clip stand. Whoop, don't break it already. The microphone. I didn't have this camera before, so my microphone is for the DJI, so I figured they didn't have the point of view. Oh my god, this is like kryptonite packaging. It's cute, like silver dollar size. And that will clip on. And this came with a lens. This isn't the black lens, I think this is the wide angle. I don't know for sure, let's see. Yes, the wide angle lens. Right there. A little strap, a C to C end, and the star of the show. I honestly didn't even know this camera existed because I was looking at the DJI that I wanted. See, can I get this out of here without breaking it? Yes, I can. Nice hard case, places inside to put the wide angle lens, the black mist filter. Easy close, easy open. And here's the camera. Let's see, peel. I'm gonna have to charge it up, but that is what is in the box. For the creator kit comes all in one box, so they didn't piecemeal it to you. The camera, protective cover, threaded handle, wrist strap, USB-C cable, the guides, the microphone, it's the Insta360 mic, not the Air mic, which is the smaller one. The wing guard, the magnet, a clip, battery handle, wide angle lens, and the carry bag. There you have it. Good stuff, not cheap.